Hello and welcome to the World Championships of Canoe Polo. My name is Jorn Vergeen and I will be your commentator for this match in the men's under 21 class. We're going to be watching the Netherlands versus Germany in this very exciting pool. Both teams have to be asked to line up. On the left we have the Netherlands with number 1 Meijer, number 2 Berghout, number 3 Manders, number 4 Van Laaren, number 5 Oudink, number 6 Engelhardt, number 7 Kuipers, number 8 Budding, and with the coaches Hof and Muse. On the right we have Germany with 1 Kroon, number 2 Otter, number 3 Foyster, number 4 Ambusher, number 5 Lins, number 6 Becker, number 7 Myers, number 8 Mai, coaches Konrad, Below and Van Hofstouter. Well, first ball possession is for the Germans. This match is in a pool phase to decide the winner, because both teams did advance through the tournament. Well, we see a lot of movement in the defense of the Dutch. Now with number 4 and 6, Ambusher and Bakker, trying to breach the Dutch defense there. 15 seconds remain. Second line shot, nicely stopped by Engelhardt. And the second attempt after that was nicely deflected. Manders, just give away the ball, please. In this pool, they're joined up with Italy, Poland, Espanyol and Swiss. Well, we see a nice block again by the Dutch defense. Fast break opportunity now for them, but there are already 2 Germans in front of them. Manders was thinking about a long shot on goal. Decided to play it a bit safer. Now to Kuipers. So far in this pool, Italy has won twice. And both the Netherlands and Germany have only won once. While we see a kind of a trick shot from Berghout going against the pedal. He still has to get in possession, chooses to play it a bit safer. So Italy has won twice, and Germany has won against Swiss, but they lost versus Poland, which is an interesting fact, because the Netherlands did win yesterday from Poland, but Germany lost with a goal difference of 1. The Netherlands won with a goal difference of 1. So one thing is for certain, it's very close. Manders trying to fake throw there, trying to get the defenders of the Germans to give more attention to him, that his teammates can actually get a bit to better position. Now nicely to Manders, very close to the defense. Nice pedal stroke with his left blade there, trying to get as close as possible. But nicely deflected by the goalie Lins from Germany. This will be one of the major matches of both teams. Both of the teams still have to meet up against Italy, who is currently the leader in this group. For the Dutch, that will happen in about 2 hours of time. Well, we see Kuipers and Berghout in the defense of the Germans. Quick passes now, trying to reach Berghout. Bit of a faulty pass there. Means, oh, I was gonna say means German ball possession, but there was a foul made before that. So the Dutch stay in ball possession there with already 4 minutes being played here. Again, Manders going very far into the defense of the Germans. Now a lot of pressure from Forster, number 3 from Germany. Means that there are only 20 seconds remain on the shot clock. Van Laren. Again, Manders trying to push through the defense. But there was already a foul made. Watch out, Manders, that's already the second time. Yep, now he gets the warning for it. For unsporty behavior. That would be a very stupid card if he actually gets that later in this match. The Dutch now really use a lot of movement in their own defense, so they use a 1-2-2 defense. And then with Berghout and Van Laren trying to pressure the Germans in making a slip up. Well, we see a lot of struggle at the left side at Kuipers. Second line shot, finds the back of the net from Linz. The Germans have been watching the Netherlands. Oh, okay, sorry. The scoreboard here set 2-0, and I really thought that can't be correct. Luckily it isn't. Now a bit on room on the left. Better foul being made by the Germans. Yeah, one thing is for certain, Meijer has very long arms. Again, trying to push through the defense. Oh, nicely blocked there by the Germans, but lucky for the Dutch, they are still in ball possession. Very long battle from May. A lot of energy is being used. Second line shot now finds the back of the net. Tying this match back up again. I don't know if you hear it at home, but we desperately need 2 more sentences in that song. Oh, a lot of pressure now in the Dutch defense. And so much so that they stop pedaling. Well, so the shot from Forster, number 3 from Germany, found the back of the net as well. 3 minutes left in this first half. Very nice battle there between Boedink and Ambuster. Really trying to pressure them outside of the defense there. Quick passes now to Kuipers. But shot already deflected, this time by number 4 from the Germans. Again, Ambuster. Well, we see that he also gets some water to drink. You see the sunshine probably on your screen, but it is very humid here and it feels very warm, so the players need a lot of water just to cool down. Sometimes you see one of the players removing his helmet and just pouring water over him, trying to cool down. Now Meijer passes it to the middle to Deqing, who loses the ball there. Luckily Dutch the ball possession still. Now to Manders, again to Deqing. Shot and deflected by the German goalie. Means that ball possession stays for the Dutch. Nicely saved by the goalie Lins. Kuipers to Manders. Well, Udink and Deqing try to make some room into the German defense. Little bit of room now on the right. If they can get there very fast. Because all the German players are actually focusing on Udink and Deqing. Now Meijers. Pass back to Kuipers. Still 30 seconds remain. Meijers, second line shot deflected by the German defense. Means German ball possession, fast break opportunity. Not really more in play. But this does mean that it's just 40 seconds remain in this half. And with that loss of possession, that can only mean one thing. The Germans will pass around for at least 20 seconds. So if you have a funny story that takes 20 seconds, take your time. Because they will only attack in the last 10 seconds. Little bit of room on the left here. Getting closer now to the Dutch defense. Second line shot again from number 3. And again, very nicely played out. And Forrester finds the back of the net as well. With 5 seconds remaining, we see a second line shot from Deqing. Actually touched by the goalie. This marks the halftime, which means the players will have 3 minutes to rest, get some last minute feedback, and more importantly, get something to drink.
En de jager naar de andere kant. Degene links. Dat is wel links. Ja, precies. Ja? Maar kan die nog even? Kijk naar midden, hè? Die jongens, net zoals gisteren. En als het moet, wordt ze gewoon op 5 uit. Dat er nog harder nog harder. Geen bal door. Kijk, nur wieder, wir wollen aber wieder 3-1 gegen die
Teams are lining up again for the second half of this match. The Dutch will have to come back again from being behind in goals, but that's one thing they are very strong in. Well, we see Berghout pedaling, waving to forward. I thought he was not online anymore, but that must matter. Oh, Berghout trying to push his boat over the boat of Ambusher. Trying to get possession of the ball. Well, number 1, Krone, trying to beach the Dutch defense. And also now a lot of room on the right here. Again, a second line shot from number 3, Forrester. This time it meets the inside of the bar. And because these are round bars, it bounces back outside of the goal. Well, we hear one of the Dutch coaches really shouting to his own players in the defense. Again with that left on the left side of the pitch with his right hand. Number 3 from Germany, Forrester. Really charging there. And again, second line shot. Now this time it's deflected by the Dutch defense. Nicely done by Udink. Again, the Germans, Krone and Ambusher in the Dutch defense, because the Dutch really using more of an aggressive 1-2-2 defense. You see that number 2 and number 4, Berghout and Vlaren, paddling around that 6 meter mark. Second line shot, deflected again by the Dutch. Interesting to see that the Germans actually already attack on the 30-second mark. I would have expected them to really play the clock to their advantage. As a reminder for this pool, you really want to be on top, in top, because you're with 6 teams here, making it the top 12, and only the top 2 of this pool will actually advance to the semifinals. And this time blocked by Berghout. We'll start again on the left. Now long pass to Lins. Quick pass to May. And again Forrester on the left there. This time he doesn't shoot. Really similar offense as the Dutch ladies are using. Second line shot there. Not really an option anymore. Really 1 players into the defense. And then 3 players around it. High pass now to May. Back to Lins. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Second line shot, nicely deflected by Berghout. But the Germans stay in ball possession. Well, already 4 minutes of this half have gone. And the Dutch have mostly just defended. So nice control of ball possession by the Germans. Again, second line shot there, and they're really looking for either Forster or May, trying to take those shots. Penalties being given by the ref. And a card has been penalized to number 7, I think. May versus Engelhardt. A goal for the Germans does mean that the Dutch are back with 5 players. While the Dutch shout if they lose ball possession, they will do a man on defense because they really want the win here. Because they already lost versus Spain in this pool. While we see an offensive foul being made, Germans are now in ball possession again. That would have been a very good fast break opportunity for them, but one thing that the Germans are famous for is their very patient play, especially if they have the advantage in goal difference. New 60 seconds because a foul was made. Long pass now to Bracher. Ooh, number 7 from the Germans, Reimers, was completely free back there. Only 30 seconds remain, but the Dutch really want to pressure the Germans in making a slip, a long pass. Now to Reimers. Well, we see actually that number 3, Bacher, was free for that pass. Both number 7s versus each other. Bit of room there, 8 seconds. Ball possession goes to the Dutch. Van Laren controlling the ball. Mander, second line shot. Whoa! From my line of view, it almost looked like it was gonna make it. It was far enough, but not accurate enough to the left. But that's very easily set, of course. Now long pass to May. May versus Van Laren. May really controlling the time there. Just passed, just quickly enough. A lot of pressure now from Manders to Forrester. Trying to pressure them in making a slip up and a faulty pass. Nicely put the boat from Reimers versus between the attacker of the Dutch and ball possession. While we see Kuipers regaining ball possession. Nice pass there to Berghout. This could be a goal back to Manders. Oh, nicely done by the Dutch, or by the Germans, I mean, deflected. But the pressure on the Germans is very good so far. Well, we actually see a sub while a long pass has been given to May. Really the guy in front of their own defensive. Goal is still empty with 50 seconds remain on the clock. Come on, Van Laren, push, push. Berghout versus May. Moon Van Laren, 30 seconds on the shot clock. No, Berghout, other side.
Go, go, go!
They are now in advantage, the Germans. Come on, Berghout. There was another German guy very free there. Far away shot incoming probably. But that was too short. With just 50 seconds remain, The Germans will really use the time and on their advantage. Probably only see one very long pass, only to gain time. Nicely done, Uding. Oh, but the loss of player is a very free player there. Only the pass was not correct enough. Yes, he touched the ball from Manders, so Manders can get one more opportunity now. Better fall from number 2. He gets a warning for that, but with only 13 seconds in this clock. To Kuipers. Really should work towards a shot there. Time. Almost un-German-like to lose ball possession in those last 40 seconds there. But the Dutch could not make another goal. So the road to victory for them will be very hard. It will all depend on what the rest of the teams will do to each other. On the pitch, of course. Because Italy has won twice. Now Germany has won twice. But Poland has won from Germany and the Dutch have won from Poland. So it will be quite confusing in the end who will actually get on top of this pool. Tune in later for the conclusion of that. I thank you very much for watching.